Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this dollhouse kitchen. I started by creating the floor for the kitchen and living room area by using popsicle sticks, cut off the round edges and glue them to the cardboard box using hot glue. You will need foam board to make the kitchen, cut out the pieces for the fridge according to those measurements, put the door aside and keep it for later and glue the rest together like this. Cut out small pieces of foam board and glue them inside the fridge, leaving a small gap between them, and repeat on the other side. If you want, you can seal the edges with paint or varnish. Now you will need clear plastic. The plastic that I'm using is 2 mm thick and I got it in a store that sells art supplies. As you can see, it's a bit hard to cut because it's very thick, but with a little bit of patience it can be done. Now it's time to attach the door. Since I don't have hinges, I'm going to use pins, one at the bottom and one at the top. Make sure you leave a gap here so that you can open and shut the door. Cover the parts that are going to be visible in the paper of your choice, and now cut out a piece of paperboard that covers the front of the fridge, wrap it in paper and glue it to the door. And now cut out these pieces of foam board to make a smaller cupboard using the same technique. This is going to be the sink cabinet. If you like, you can create working doors for this as well, but I've decided to simply glue the pieces together. Use a small plastic container to make the sink and place it on top of the cabinet. Trace the shape with a pencil and cut it out. Now place it on a piece of paperboard and trace around it to get the shape for the kitchen countertop. I've decided to extend one end to create an area where the dolls can sit. Divide a piece of paperboard in 3 equal parts and glue them to the cabinet in order to create the illusion of separate cabinet doors. Make sure that the edges are covered as well, but don't get any glue on them. I've decided to paint the cabinet light gray. You can choose whatever color you like, and once it had dried, I applied varnish on top to make it shiny. I applied varnish to the bricks to seal the cork, otherwise it will soak up a lot of paint, and once it has dried you can paint the backsplash in the color of your choice and apply another layer of varnish. I'm using this oven from a previous video. If you would like to watch that tutorial, you can click the link in the info box. And that's it. If you would like to know how I made the rest of the dollhouse, I will link it in the info box as soon as it's finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!